I, Merins, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I know you're out of my league, but that won't scare me away. Oh,
I, Mary Joy, take you, Merins. I promise to be true to you. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
You've built your wall so high that no one could climb it, but I'm gonna try. Would you let
Merins, our day is finally here. A wedding day is something a girl has thought about ever since she was a little girl. Just like me, I can't wait to see you in the altar. I love you, Joy.
Joy, well, this is it. The wedding day is finally here. I am the happiest man on earth today. See you at the altar, Merins.
You built your wall so high that no one could climb it, but I'm gonna try. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful? Would you let me see beneath your perfect? Take it off now, boy. Take it off now, boy. I wanna see inside. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful tonight?
Merins and Mary Joy, have you come here freely and without reservation to give yourself to each other in marriage?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Will you love and honor each other as man and wife for the rest of your life?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
let me see beneath your beautiful? Would you let me see beneath your perfect? Take it off now, girl. Take it off now, girl. 'Cause I wanna see inside. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful tonight? Tonight.
See beneath your beautiful.
Oh, tonight. We ain't perfect, no. Would you let
Let me
see beneath your beautiful tonight?